Right, off to work again. I use an electric bike, it's not that far away actually, so I could walk it I suppose, but can't be bothered. It's too nice the weather really. Yep, car come in. Take advantage of this weather. We're off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz. Oh, last night there were lots of parties. Couldn't get down some roads because in the big van delivering Argos stuff because there were lots of parties. Had to get out of the van and walk it down. But everything's cool. Ooh, a bit of wind. That's nice. Nice bit of wind. Yeah, I'm going to I'll do a quick one later tonight when I finish about 9 o'clock, 9:30, whatever it is. With that, then we'll get to see the lights on this bike as well. Should be cool. Oh, it's lovely out here. There'll be lots of people using push bikes and stuff to go to work. I've been keeping an eye out for my son for another one. So this one isn't brilliant. The derailleur on the back. It laid on its side or hit a tree with the side of the derailleur or something, I don't know. Didn't tell me what he really did. I had to get into the derailleur. Silly sod me, it needs to be a 6 cog on the back wheel, and I got one for a 7/8 cog, so we can only use it in about 2 gears. I'll leave it just in like 1 gear that you can use. That was about 20 quid for the derailleur. I can buy another push bike for about 40 quid, so seems a bit weird really. Get a second mountain bike. Behind a couple that are not too far away from me. Oh, it works, see? Didn't take long, did it? Yeah, just a little quick video, that's all. I'll come down to here and stop. Right, that's it. I best turn it off before I go in. Like I say, nice little quick one, just on the electric one.